Ashish Kyal is now joining in. Ashish, if we close below that 100-day moving average, is it disappointing? Does that mean we're still going to consolidate in that range, or do you see the uptrend intact?
Hi, Rima. Afternoon to you and all the viewers. See, if you look at Nifty, the attempt has been on the upside for 24,200, but I think the sell-off is there from the higher levels, and we can clearly see some profit booking even in the banking stocks in the banking index. Having said that, I think the dip over here is an opportunity to reposition on the long side itself. Overall, any move towards the level of around 24,040, 24,050 will be an opportunity to buy. We can eventually expect index to go and reach towards the level of 24,420 and possibly 24,700 from a positional perspective. So the overall undertone is bullish for the market. Short-term dip is an opportunity to position on the long side, and on the downside, a very important support is going to be at around 23,890 level. If that breaches, then we might enter into a consolidation phase, but otherwise use the dips to buy.
Dips to buy. All right. Ashish, you're sounding quite optimistic. What about individual stocks?
Absolutely. So from the individual stocks name, I think Godrej Properties is something that has shown an inverted head and shoulder breakout after a long time. Good momentum should pick up from here. It's some time that the stock has consolidated, but I think the entire interest sensitive sectors can do well from here on. We can clearly see the auto outperforming, financials are performing, and real estate should also catch up from here on. The target for Godrej Properties on the upside is going to be around 2,000 level, and the support for the stock is around 1790. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be Ashok Leyland. We can clearly see the stock has corrected nearly 61.8% of the entire rise which we saw in the last year until the highs of 215, and now the stock is getting ready again to start the third wave on the upside. The target for Ashok Leyland is going to be around 175. On the downside, the support for the stock is around 150 levels.
Real estate names have also corrected so much. So Godrej Properties is a stock that Ashish was recommending. Ashish, would you risk taking a strategy considering it's a long weekend and so much can happen?
Yes, absolutely, Rima, because the overall undertone, as we discussed earlier, also is on the buy side. So right now, if someone is looking at the index, I think it's an opportunity to be long on the index side. But at the same time, the stop loss has to be a little far away from a positional perspective. So one can create long positions here, or maybe carry a bull call spread kind of a strategy where going long on a call of around 24,100 and then selling across, say, 24,250 call option can create that kind of a strategy where the risk is hedged. On the downside, the support for the index, as I mentioned earlier, is 23,890. And on the upside, we are expecting it to again move towards the level of 24,420 and possibly higher. So create a spread in the option strategy from the long side.
Stocks, any recommendations?
On the buy side, the first stock is on Max Healthcare. We can clearly see a very strong breakout of a double bottom pattern that the stock has given. The volumes have picked up significantly compared to the past 20 days average volume. It is much more than that. So one can create long position in Max Healthcare. Stop loss can be 1,090 and target can be 1,180 levels. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be M&M Financial Services. We can clearly see since 2 days, the stock has shown a spectacular move. Any dip from here can be an opportunity to enter here. Stop loss can be 315. Target can be 345 levels.
Thank you very much.